Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And so I'm back with a look that's new to me and a haircut that's new to me. And thank you, TIGI, for going ahead and doing the haircut. I really appreciate it. And so I got a bob for the summer because it just tends to be a little warm with all that hair on the back of your neck. So that's what I did for the hair. And then as far as what I actually did for the makeup, we can go ahead and get started. And I have L'Oreal Lumi 120, and I mix that with the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion and the 902. So this is what I have on for my base today. Did use some of the NYX, bear with me as far as the concealer today. And then what I did go ahead and do for the bronzer is I got out the Butta Biscuit. And this is actually a new color to me as far as a bronzer. And I'm trying some of the different buttermilk bronzers to see. It's kind of buttercup is the lightest one, and it works great for me, but not in all situations, especially not when I'm doing a really dark look. So I'm working with Butta Biscuit and a couple of other ones to see how they work so that I can go ahead and have a little bit different undertone with different looks. And these are usually $10. You can find them on sale sometimes for $5 or $6. And I would really suggest going ahead and picking up a couple so you have a couple of different options. And let's see, as far as what I went ahead and did for a blush today, I did pick up a few things from the Spongebob over at Walmart, and this is the second collab that WetnWild has done with Spongebob, and again, it's over at Walmart. And so the blush I have on is actually, is this one. And then I put a little bit of the buttermilk blush in Butta over the top of it. And so these are what I mixed today to go ahead and get the blush look. I think it turned out really fun and summery. And then I did go ahead and use the Moira. This is a Foxy pink for the highlighter on top. So that's kind of what I have on there. And then as far as the regular suspects, I did go ahead and use the Essence Make Me Brow and also the Essence Lash Without Limits. As far as what I did for the actual lips today is that I went ahead and got out one of my color lipsticks. These are from BPure. They're over at Dollar Tree, and they're really good value. And then I put a little bit of the e.l.f. lip oil over the top. So that's kind of how that came out. Came out to a really pretty orangey brown. And as far as what I did for the eyes today for my lemon lime kind of look, I went ahead and started with Flourish by Ensley. And so I got out this one, and I used a whole bunch of the mattes from this one to go ahead and get the lemon lime kind of thing going. So I did go ahead and use the green shade right on the lid and then the yellow shade right above in the crease. And that's really all I did with that palette. And then I grabbed the Wolf Moon palette, which is very new to me. This one actually came out more for winter, but I think you can use it really well in the summertime. Went ahead and used this shade right on the lid, right on top of the green matte. And then I used this shade right on top of the yellow, and I think it worked out really well. So with Ensley, I'm saying that usually their palettes are really good complementary palettes to each other, and so would definitely highly recommend mixing them together to go ahead and get some looks. This way the eye look turned out. So again, that lemon lime kind of thing going on. And I did use a Handiyan eye pencil as well, and this one's in green. Let's see, other than that, the Catrice finishing powder, and yes, I do have a backup of this. And I think that's about, I have one other Wet n Wild product that I used. So the Wet n Wild Kelp Shake Setting Mist, and this one is also part of the Spongebob Wet n Wild collab over at Walmart. Yeah, that is a tongue twister. The Wet n Wild Spongebob collab that's over at Walmart. So yeah, I really like this setting mist. It smells good and it has some sparkle in it. So yeah, fun, fun, fun. And Mother's Day and light, bright, cheery, fun makeup. And so this is what I came up with, and I'm thinking it really might work for Mother's Day. So it's definitely in the running. So I guess I'll see you later, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye.